Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, we have learned second lesson, likes, my likes and dislikes. Yes? Did you all remember what you have learned? Okay, what did you learn in that lesson? What are your likes and what are your dislikes? The thing which you don't want is dislike, and the thing which you want the most, which you want again and again, that is like. Isn't it? We all know that. What is like, what is dislike. Okay. In remembering part, we have learned that. And in understanding part, what did you learn? That if we are happy with anything, okay, if your father brought new dress for you, then you will be very happy. That means you liked it. Okay. If you don't like that dress, you will be unhappy. What is the opposite of happy? Unhappy. That is dislike. So today I am going to tell you the application part. Okay. In this application part, what's there is, if your mother and father tells you to not to eat something like burger, pizza, oily foods, french fries and all, you should eat, but you should eat sometimes, once or a while. But they are telling you not to eat daily or each and every time. Don't eat, Nana, they will tell. That means what? You should not eat junk food, non-healthy items. They are all junk food. Maggi, pizza, burger, whatever oily foods are there, samosas, these are all oily foods. These all are junk food. That means they will cause ill to your body. You will become unhealthy. So only for your good only they are telling not to eat much. They will bring for you, but on special occasions or once in week or once in monthly time. But daily, each and every time, don't eat oily foods. Okay. Coming to another point, like your father will say or your mother will say, don't go and play in the rain. We feel to go and play in the rain. Yes, everybody like to play in the rain. Okay, we all feel to play in the rain. But our parents will tell not to play in the rain. Why? Because we will get cold and cough. Sometimes fever also. So if we listen to our parents, definitely we will be always healthy. Understood? They are our caretakers. They want us to be always healthy. Okay children, open your textbook, page number 5, everybody. Okay? Keep your fingers, everybody. Okay? Word to word, I will read and explain. D-O-2, Y-O-U-U, K-N-O-W, no, T-H-A-T, that, Y-O-U-U, M-A-Y, may, N-O-T, not, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, B-E-B, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allow, T-O-2, D-O-2, W-H-A-T, what, Y-O-U-U, L-I-K-E, like. Do you know that you may not always be allowed to do what you like? Whatever you like, you are not allowed to do. Do you know why? Okay, next point. Y-O-U-U, W-A-N-T, want, T-O-2, E-A-T-E, I-C-E, C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream, chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates, French fries, F-R-E-N-C-H, French, F-R-I-E-S, French fries, and burgers, B-U-R-G-E-R-S, burgers. These are all what? Food items. Everybody will like these items. Isn't it? Am I right or wrong? Yes. every now and then you are not allowed to eat these items. Why? You know why? Okay. Next, but your parents, B-U-T, but, Y-O-U-R, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, D-O-U, N-O-T, not, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, by, B-U-Y, by, T-H-O-S-E, those, F-O of Y-O-U-U. Okay, but your parents do not always buy those for you. Did you understand? No. Then why they will not buy always for you? Do you know why? Okay. Ice cream, chocolate, burger and French fries. T-H-E-S-E, these, A-R-E-R, N-O-T, not, S-O, so, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy, healthy. These are not so healthy. These are not so healthy. Healthy, F-O for food, C-H-O-I-C. These are not healthy food choices. Okay, these are not healthy food choices. Okay. W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L, should, A-V-O-I-D-T-H-E-M. We should avoid them. We should not eat now and then. Avoid means we should stop eating. Means not totally. Sometimes. Regularly we should not eat. That's what. Okay. Y-O-U-U-M-A-Y, may, W-A-N-T, want, T-O-2, P-L-A-Y, play, I-N-N, T-H-E-D-A, R-A-I-N, rain. You may want to play in the rain. You may want to play in the rain. But, B-U-T, but, Y-O-U-R-U, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, say, S-A-Y, say, no. W-H-Y, you want to play in the rain. But your parents will say no. Why? W-E-V-M-A-Y, may, C-A-T-C-H, catch, A-C-O-L, cold, A-N-D, and F-E-V-E-R, fever. We may catch cold and fever. W-E-V-M-A-Y, may, F-A-L-L, fall, I-L-L, in. We may fall in. If we play in the rain, we will fall in. We may catch cold and fever. Okay, make a list of the things that you like to do but are allowed to do only sometimes. Okay, now amazing facts. Next one, A-M-A-Z-I-N-G, amazing, F-A-C-T-S, facts. Okay, do you know how we understand different tastes? Do you know how we understand the different tastes? Okay, if I will give you sugar, you will say that the taste is sweet. If I will give you mirch powder, you will say that hot, isn't it? Spicy. So no. If I will give you tamarind, what's the taste? So, S-O-U-R, so. Okay, that means you can find out the taste of the food item. How can you find out the taste of the items? Okay. Do you know how we understand different tastes? It is our tongue. It is our tongue. Tongue spelling T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue that helps us understand different tastes. Our tongue helps us to understand different tastes. Okay. Some food items taste sweet, some salty, some taste sour, and some taste spicy. Masala items, biryani. Any masala items, spicy, you know? Yes? Okay. Next one, higher order thinking. Higher order thinking. See, all of you keep your finger. We, W-A-V, know, K-N-O-W, know that different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different people P-O-P-L-E, people have different likes and dislikes. Now, let us, L-E-T-U-S, let us do an activity. Okay, first one. Which of the following tastes do you like and which do you dislike? Okay, bitter, sweet, sour. Okay, how many of you like bitter? How many of you like sweet? How many of you like sour? You have to taste the item and see what is bitter, what is sour, what is sweet. Okay, which of the following smells do you like and which do you dislike? What are the smells you like? Maggi, popcorn, cough syrup. Generally we like Maggi and popcorn, but we dislike cough syrup. Isn't it smell? Okay, that's why we will not take medicines many times because we don't like the smell. We dislike the smell. We will not take the cough syrup. Yes, but because we like Maggi, popcorn, we will definitely eat it. Yes. Which of the following colors do you like and which do you dislike? Blue color, red color, white color. Okay? You have to do this activity Nana in your home. Okay, in your homework notebook. Just do these activities. Okay? Which taste you like? I like bitter, or I like sweet, or I like sour. Which taste you like? First question. Write in your homework notebook. Okay? First question, second question, third question. You have to write down the questions and you have to write the answer beside down line, in the down line. Okay, children? Okay. Today your homework is you have to write the question first, second, third in your homework notebook and write answer below the question. Understand the question and write the answer. Okay? Which of the following taste do you like and which do you dislike? What is the taste that you like and what you dislike? You have to write the answer. I like sweet. I dislike bitter. Like that. 2 sentences. You have to write. Which of the following smells do you like and which do you dislike? Maggi, popcorn. I like the smell of Maggi and popcorn. I dislike the smell of cough syrup. 2 sentences. Which of the following colors do you like and which do you dislike? Blue, red, white. I like white and blue. I dislike red. You can write. Over 2 sentences answer. Neat handwriting should be there in your homework notebook, and that too you have to write in cursive writing. I want your books to be in cursive writing. Try to. If you don't know also, learn from your parents, write down in cursive. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.